Welcome back to the channel, and today we have an update video on Amzdoge. So in this video I'm going to go over some of my profits and returns from using the platform, because it's been, I want to say, around 2 weeks since my first video covering this. Also, I'm going to show a proof of withdrawal, and also I'm going to be upping my deposit into the platform. So before we get any further, remember, nothing in this video is financial advice. Please always do your own research and only invest what you are willing to lose. So in my Amzdoge account, currently we have around $231 in balance. I actually did a larger deposit, and if I go onto my withdrawal history, we can actually take a look here, and we can see I've done one withdrawal already of $254. The withdrawal process is pretty simple. First off, you need to come over to wallet address, and you add a wallet address. This can be on the Ethereum blockchain or on the Tron blockchain. And then you'd hit withdrawal, put your balance, withdrawal amount, and a payment password. If you haven't already, you need to set up a payment password in this tab before you can do your withdrawal. But we can see in my history, $254. And if I actually go ahead and bring up my wallet here and go on to token transactions, $254 transferred 22 hours ago. So I'm actually on a slightly different account now, but if I go over to my old account, we can see on this new account, we've got 2 finished trades. This was only a 2-hour trade because I wanted a brand new magic dog. But if I log out and go onto my old account, I'll show you guys all of the trades. So this is the original account I was using. If I go over to my strategy and finished, we can see all of these trades. So I started with $120. And basically these are the balances of the trade inputs. So we did 121, 122, 22, then 124. You can see the dates on here. So these were all in the same day. And then I believe from this point onwards, it's 1-day trades. So we were at 124, then we earned 127. Basically with Amzdoge, you earn 3% per day. That is just how it works. Depending on how long you set your trades up, will depend on obviously the percentage of that 3%, but it's a flat 3% per day. So at 135, 139, 140, and I believe I had a few affiliate commissions, so we got up to $181 on this account. So how do you get involved? How do you get started? So Amzdoge uses quantitative trading to make returns. First off, if you're new to the platform, I will have a link down below for you guys to sign up. If you click on a magic dog, you need a magic dog to start the quant trading. If you're on a brand new account, where my mouse is above the 90 days, you will see a little gift. And if you click on that, you will get a magic dog for free for 21 days. So there's no initial cost. After you have your magic dog, you come over to the quant trades and you can pick a cycle. So all of these pay the same proportion of 3% per day. So for example, a 24-hour plan gives you 3% per day. Well, 3%. 12-hour plan gives you half of that, 1.5%. So I will do an in-depth strategy video, but it's actually better to do these smaller numbers because you can recompound your rewards. For example, a 24-hour plan will give me 3%. A 3-day plan will give me 9%. However, the 3-day plan of 9% is based off my initial starting balance, where the 24-hour plan, after that first day of 3%, I can put it back in and my deposit will be slightly higher. But now I'm going to do a deposit onto the platform. It's pretty simple. You click on the My part here. Recharge is deposit. Then you pick your method via the Tron network or the Ethereum network. Both of them use USDT, but I'm just going to go for the Tron network for this example. Then confirm. The minimum deposit is $20. I'm actually going to go in with 800 to get my total balance up to 1,000. So then I can be earning a nice $30 per day. Then you hit recharge. You will get a QR code with a address. Again, if you're on the Ethereum network, it's the same. It will just be an Ethereum address. Make sure again you have Ethereum for the transaction. Then I'll copy this address, and all you need to do is just send your amount of USDT to the address given. So the transaction just has been sent. Make sure, again, if you're using the Tron network, you have TRX to cover any gas fees. And on Ethereum, again, make sure you have some Ethereum to cover the gas. So it's just getting confirmed on the blockchain. However, in the Amzdoge, if you click up on the timer, you can actually see where it's currently awaiting review while it's just being confirmed on the blockchain. Again, this should not take too long. and I'm sure I can probably refresh very shortly once this is confirmed, and our balance will be over $1,000, and then we can go in with one of the quant trades. So again, it's literally only been 53 seconds, just getting confirmed, and now we can see we have that $1,000 in our account. So you have your magic dog, you have your deposit amount. Now it is time to start earning some funds. So you want to come over to quant trade. I will do a full strategy comparing the differences, but basically you earn 3% per day. So I'm going to go in with the 24-hour plan. I feel like this one is the most reasonable because again, you just have to come in once a day to do another plan. Another thing I like with Amzdoge is there's no lockup. Well, the lockup is the time of your plan. So you can literally just do 2 hours. For example, with my magic dog, if I went in on a 2-hour plan with my $1,000 deposit, I would actually make $2.57, which is pretty insane for 2 hours. But I'm going to go in for the 24-hour plan. Again, they all make 3% per day, just in proportion. So for 24 hours, pick my magic dog. Maximum amount of $1,031 will earn me $30.93. So I'll go in, submit that. Then we can see successfully ordered. And so now if you head over to my strategy, I can see my quant trade currently working. So here you can see the date and time of starting your trade. So here was 11:28 on the 25th of January. So I know in 24 hours, so at 11:28 tomorrow, my trade will be done and it will appear in the finished section. And I will have my, 1,031 plus that extra bonus. So if we click on it, you can actually see all of the details. So my magic dog number, start time, end time, my investment amount, and it's working. And here you can actually see the Amzdoge quant trade system doing the quantitative analysis and the trades between. So basically it looks at certain coins and based off the differences between different exchanges, it makes some profit. So we can see, for example, the next one, Bitcoin, between OKX and Huobi, there was a price difference of $4. This one was a smaller amount, and based off these price differences, that is how they actually make their returns. So Amzdoge has been running, I want to say, for 5 months, 6 months. It's been running for a long time. Again, personally, I've been in the project just over 2 weeks. It's been looking really good. And the thing I like is these quant trades, you don't have to have a long lockup. And it's not like some of these other projects where you deposit in and you can't get your funds out. You only get paid in return. You can literally go in, do a 2-hour plan, feel like, yeah, I think I'm done, and then go out and withdraw. So on the withdrawals, there is a 0.3% fee, which is absolutely tiny, seeing as you're earning 3% per day. You saw my withdrawal history. I'll probably do another withdrawal at some point because with all crypto stuffs, you want to take profits. So once I've probably got my amount up, maybe I will take some more profits. But it's looking pretty good. Just make sure, again, you start off, get your free magic dog, which will be where my cursor is. Then put in a deposit. And with the quant trade, you can start earning your rewards. Also, there is a invite program. So again, I have an invite link down below if you guys want to use that. And if you are in, you can also invite your friends and we can all start earning together through Amzdoge. But I hope this video did help you guys out. Again, there are some tutorials, FAQs, etc. But I probably will do an update video on my strategy through this project. But thank you all for watching. Hope you guys did enjoy. Have a nice rest of your day and I'll see you on my next video.